Why does your scanner show the P0168 engine code? What does it mean? P0168 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel temperature too high. The P0168 engine code for Indicate the Engine Computer, ECM or PCM, has detected that the temperature of the fuel in the system has exceeded the manufacturer's calibrated safe limit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty upstream oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connections, engine exhaust leaks, failing or catalytic converter, improper fuel mixture. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Honda, Jeep, Ford, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.